My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious and absolutely unwanted pop-ups that are related to the website Esoftwareshop.xyz. Esoftwareshop.xyz is truly a deceptive website that attacks many browsers today. The website tries to trick its visitors into thinking that their computer is infected, and then the pop-up says that people need to download and install some cleaner. The point is that these pop-ups by Esoftwareshop.xyz claim to be related to some decent security program, but the point is that they are not related to that program. Such pop-ups may be the trace of certain adware currently enabled in your computer. So if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them and do not interact with them. We recommend you to, simply leave this page and not do anything with it. We also recommend you to carefully research the computer and the control panel of your computer. Uninstall any programs that are suspicious if you find their presence here. To make sure that the system is truly free of any other concealed threats, we do recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and start researching your system with its help to detect and delete all other threats from the device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.